Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 7 ways to get pregnant fast. 7 things you can do to get pregnant as soon as possible. You may have been doing it wrongly, but after watching this video, you will learn the 7 things to do to get pregnant as soon as possible. If this is your first time of meeting me, my name is Chinelo Ezimoha. I am a nurse midwife and I share health tips and pregnancy health tips every now and then. So don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell so that when I post a video, you will see it. Now let's dive into it. First thing to do if you want to get pregnant as fast as possible is to understand your menstrual cycle and also understand your ovulation. You see, this is one of the things that most women find difficult. They don't really understand their ovulation or menstrual cycle. Now I'm going to break it down as much as I can. Now, if your cycle is 28 days, your ovulation is on the 14th day. If your cycle is 30 days, your ovulation is on the 16th day. If your cycle is 26 days, your ovulation is on the 12th day. So you keep adding and minusing 2 from it. So that is how to understand your cycle. And also understand your body signs. Women portray different types of ovulation signs. Some women may have raised temperature, some may not. Some may have abdominal cramps, some may not. But don't forget to also monitor the cervical mucus. That cervical mucus, the one that draws, that stretches, that's a sign of ovulation. Now, the other one that cuts is not really a sign of ovulation. So when you start having these signs, just know that your ovulation is around the corner. Second one is live a healthy lifestyle. Honestly, eat healthy. What you eat makes who you are. So if you want to get pregnant, you should focus on eating healthy, eating more of fruits and vegetables, eating less of carbs and fats, and eating more of protein to energize your body. So any substance that you know that is unhealthy, that could change your hormones, please avoid it as soon as possible. Try to avoid it. So eat healthy. The next one is proper stress management. Manage your stress. When our body is stressed, a hormone called cortisol is released. And when this hormone is released, it increases our consumption of sugar. Sugar craving will be increased. You start eating, and this can lead to hormonal imbalance. So manage your stress. Practice meditation. Learn how to sleep. Rest. You understand? Make sure that your body have time to rest occasionally. It will also help the regulation of your menstruation. Then the next one is avoid harmful substances like smoking and drinking or exposing yourself to chemicals or rays. So if you want to get pregnant, consuming alcohol should not even be part of your plan, or smoking, or consuming any substance that you know is unhealthy for you, because your body needs to be as healthy as possible for you to conceive. So avoid anything that you know that will cause harm to your body. The next one is take your prenatal vitamins, especially folic acid. It is very important. Folic acid is a supplement that is very good for someone that wants to get pregnant and even during pregnancy, because it will help prevent a lot of congenital abnormalities and help build your body to achieve conception. So if you have not been taking folic acid, start taking folic acid from today. And also, you can also add other supplements like omega-3 fish oil. You can add vitamin A and vitamin E. They are also very essential. They're also very good for someone that wants to get pregnant. So include this supplement in your daily intake. Then the next one is have regular intercourse. Believe me, this is where when the pregnancy will occur. Have regular intercourse with your partner. Most couples don't spend time together, and that is why pregnancy is delayed. So spend time with your partner and have regular sex, especially after your period. Start having sex every other day, and you'll see you achieve your goal. Then the last one is seek professional help. Believe me, sometimes delay in pregnancy could be as a result of an underlying cause. So when you book an appointment with a gynecologist or a midwife and talk to somebody, you can discover the reason for the delay and also treat as possible as necessary. So if you have not visited any gynecologist before, try to visit one as soon as possible. So I've listed the 7 things that you can do to get pregnant as soon as possible. If you have not been doing any of them, start doing them from today. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so when I post a video, you will be the first to see it. See you in my next video.